Here are 7 news items from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. Cryptocurrency whales own over 43% of Ethereum's supply. Staff at the portal Into the Block have discovered that cryptocurrency whales now own more than 43% of Ethereum's supply. Since 2019, the dominance of the wealthiest wallet holders in the Ethereum network has steadily increased as they accumulated more and more coins. The asset accumulation process accelerated in early 2023, coinciding with the release of the Shanghai update, which unlocked staked Ethereum. Currently, these crypto vaults hold over 43% of Ethereum's circulating supply, while all small investors combined control 48% of the coins, reported the Into the Block team. The amount of Ethereum held by small and large investors is gradually decreasing, while the share of coins in whale wallets is increasing. If this trend continues, it won't be long before whales control more than half of Ethereum. The most intriguing fact is that crypto whales continued buying Ethereum even when the cryptocurrency's price reached record highs in the first half of 2024. Due to the subsequent drop in the coin's price, these transactions resulted in unrealized losses for the whales. The fact that they haven't sold their assets suggests confidence in ETH's long-term price increase. Second, news. Experts point to increased Bitcoin buying pressure on Kraken and Coinbase. The buy-sell ratio for Bitcoin on Kraken and Coinbase exchanges in September 2024 was 250% and 123%, respectively, indicating increased buying pressure. CoinDesk reported this, citing experts from CC Data. The organization noted that a ratio above 100% indicates more buying than selling, and vice versa. CC Data experts believe Kraken and Coinbase have become the primary platforms for Bitcoin accumulation by large investors. This is evidenced by the average transaction size. For BTC/USDT spot pairs on these platforms, the average size is $2,148 and $1,321, respectively. In comparison, on Bybit and Binance, the averages are $898 and $747. The buy-sell ratio for these platforms is 99% and 97%, meaning more Bitcoin sell orders than buy orders are being executed. This suggests that Kraken and Coinbase are attracting larger transactions, likely from institutional or long-term investors, while Bybit and Binance seem more focused on smaller but more frequent trades, said CC Data analyst Hazam Mahmood. Third, news. Hamster Kombat token to be listed on BitGet, Bybit, and OKX on September 26. HMSTR, the native token of the clicker game Hamster Kombat, will debut on the Open Network blockchain on September 26, when it will be listed simultaneously on 3 cryptocurrency exchanges, BitGet, Bybit, and OKX. Once HMSTR is successfully launched on the TON blockchain, users will be able to trade the token on 3 major platforms. Bybit and OKX have already confirmed that the asset will be listed on their spot markets, where it will be available to any platform user. However, BitGet has not yet disclosed whether HMSTR will be added to its spot or futures market. On September 11, the developers of the game application announced that the Hamster Kombat token would be available on BitGet. We're adding more and more platforms so you can become part of our family. Today, we're excited to announce that the HMSTR token will soon be available on BitGet, wrote the Hamster Kombat development team. Earlier, Gate.io, KuCoin, and Binance were mentioned as exchanges where the Hamster Kombat token might be listed. In July, it was revealed that the developers plan to distribute about 60% of HMSTR tokens to users, with the actual amount allocated to each player depending on their contribution to the platform's development. The remaining 40% of assets will be directed towards scaling the project, maintaining market liquidity, and rewards. Fourth, news. $2,000 per month on crypto through 5 platforms. There are many tools for making money in the crypto market. Often, crypto community members combine them to increase their income. A user under the nickname Leshka.eth claims to earn $2,000 per month using several DeFi and DePIN applications. He shared his working scheme with his followers. According to Leshka.eth, to achieve a passive income of $2,000 per month, it is enough to register with 5 decentralized applications. You'll also need a stable internet connection, a computer, and 20 minutes of free time each day. He claims you can receive your first profit in just 3 days. Here are the decentralized platforms where you need to register. 1. Wi-Fi Map. A decentralized project aimed at creating a global network of public Wi-Fi hotspots. Its main goal is to provide users with free internet access worldwide using crowdsourcing and Web3 technologies. Wi-Fi Map users can share information about Wi-Fi hotspots, passwords and access, and receive rewards in the form of Wi-Fi tokens for contributing to the community. 2. MemeFi. This Web3 gaming project combines meme culture with decentralized finance. The developers were inspired by popular meme crypto projects like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but with added functionality related to financial services on the blockchain. Unlike typical meme tokens based on humorous concepts and communities, MemeFi offers additional economic value through DeFi tools. 3. DIMO. The project team is creating the largest IoT network based on user devices. The platform allows users to monetize car rides. DIMO's primary goal is to change the management of vehicle data, giving users control over their data and the ability to monetize it. 4. Ycrypt. A decentralized platform that allows users to earn money by sharing their internet connection through mobile hotspots. The project aims to let people monetize their internet connection by creating local Wi-Fi networks and providing access to others. 5. Blum. A hybrid crypto exchange supported by the team behind Binance, the largest trading platform in the crypto market. On the platform, you can farm tokens that can later be monetized by completing quests and playing mini-games. The author of the post believes that the tokens collected from all the mentioned applications will be enough to generate an income of $2,000 per month. 5th News. Crypto exchange CEX.io resumes operations in the UK. Crypto exchange CEX.io has officially resumed operations and the process of obtaining an AML license in the UK, according to the block, citing a company press release. CEX.io left this market after the UK's Financial Conduct Authority introduced new rules for promoting cryptocurrency services and products in October 2023. To meet the regulators' requirements, the company partnered with licensed intermediary firm Gateway 21. The new rules include measures such as investor questionnaires, risk warnings, and transparency requirements. We strictly operate within the framework of existing rules and hold 40 licenses and registrations worldwide. In addition, we implement advanced client security measures. As a result, in our 11-year history, the company has never been involved in any security incidents or legal disputes with regulators. Responsibility towards both legal standards and users who trust us with their funds has always been a top priority for CEX.io. Even if it means sacrificing business growth, said Rich Evans, managing director of CEX.io's UK branch. However, the exchange has not yet received an AML license from the FCA. As a result, it offers its services from Lithuania, where the company is registered. 6th News. U.S. regulators launch educational program to combat crypto fraud. The U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, in collaboration with several financial regulators, has launched an educational initiative to raise public awareness about fraudulent crypto schemes. To combat cryptocurrency fraud, the CFTC partnered with the Investor Education and Advocacy Office of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, and the North American Securities Administrators Association. The educational initiative aims to provide investors with the knowledge needed to identify suspicious crypto projects and avoid falling for scams, the CFTC stated. According to the regulator, one of the most common methods of deceiving investors is the so-called pig butchering, where fraudsters gain the victim's trust and convince them to invest large sums in a promising crypto project. Such schemes have already extracted billions of dollars from U.S. investors. Our educational programs will explore common tactics used by crypto fraudsters and ways to counter scammers before they can steal assets. By working with federal and state regulators, as well as consumer protection organizations, we can better educate the public about crypto scams and prevent potential asset thefts, said Melanie DeVoe, director of the CFTC's Office of Consumer Outreach and Education. Earlier, CFTC Chairman Rostin Behnam stated that the vast majority of cryptocurrencies do not fall into the category of securities. In May, he warned that cryptocurrency companies might face new regulatory pressure due to the lack of clear regulation in the U.S. crypto industry. 7th News. Stablecoin market cap reaches $170 billion. The stablecoin sector has reached a significant milestone, with its total market capitalization surpassing $170 billion. The last time it approached this level was before the collapse of Terra USD in May 2022. According to Defulama, the market cap of stablecoins has grown by more than 42% from its low of $119.1 billion in November 2023. Why is the growth in stablecoin market capitalization beneficial for Bitcoin? The growth is driven by three leading stablecoins, Tether, USD Coin, and DAI, with market capitalizations of $118.43 billion, $35.10 billion, and $5.27 billion, respectively. Together, USDT, USDC, and DAI account for 94% of the total stablecoin market cap, with Tether alone making up 69.54%. According to CoinGecko's latest report, the number of stablecoin holders worldwide has reached 8.7 million, with just over 97% of them being users of the three leading stablecoins. USDT leads the way, held in 5.8 million wallets. Analysts view the growing supply of stablecoins as a bullish signal for Bitcoin. A cryptoquant expert known as Tara Conchain believes this indicates that investors are ready for active buying. The optimistic forecast is supported by declining Bitcoin reserves on crypto exchanges, which is usually considered a precursor to a cryptocurrency price rally. Selling pressure is decreasing as more investors move their BTC to cold storage, thus limiting the supply. The reduction in Bitcoin reserves and the increase in stablecoin reserves create the conditions for a bullish price breakout. The decrease in Bitcoin supply and the rise in purchasing power could set the stage for a sharp price surge. Historically, such a supply-demand imbalance has led to significant price jumps, explained the expert. Additionally, there is an increase in fiat liquidity in the global market, which is a positive sign for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. Liquidity is rising again, and Bitcoin, which is highly sensitive to changes in liquidity, could surge sharply when new liquidity flows into the system. The macroeconomic situation is changing. A large wave of liquidity is on the horizon, and when it arrives, BTC will be poised for a strong upward move in the fourth quarter, noted macro analyst Julian Biddle. As the Global Money Supply Index, which indicates an increase in the amount of money in circulation, grows, the outlook for Bitcoin improves. The liquidity surge is expected to continue into the last quarter of this year, which could fuel a strong Bitcoin rally and stabilize the crypto market.